at the thing that was flying up here.
Oh, okay.
There's 5.
Oh, look, there's another one down there that stuck his head under.
Yep.
Oh, he's getting something.
Yep.
Crawdad, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, he just ate something.
Oh, that one! Yeah, he's eating a crawdad.
Should have brought our binoculars. Oh, he's eating something.
That's a mean chocolate. I believe it's a crawdad.
I bet you're right.
Because crawdads usually hang out in this.
Yeah.
These little pieces.
Fish are too. Yeah, and fish are too smart for that. Crawdad aren't.
They're both going down.
There's geese, and then
Maybe
more
some
geese
kind
over
of.
there. One
Maybe some
there,
kind of
and
stuff that they
one
like.
there.
Maybe down there.
And then there's that mysterious bird that we don't know what it is.